Had to believe.
Beautiful Sheetal and Manisha. I worked with them in Das Ka Dam earlier. So we were in Sony. From Sony, we've come to Colors.
Would you try and make peace with the
Then
photographers?
there's Raj sir. He's an incredible person. Him, it's a long association of 4 years. Chal raha hai, chalne do, acha hai. And
let me tell you, nobody else can do this show but Salman Khan. So
I think
we were very clear.
I think
we were very clear that if we do Big Boss, it will be with Salman Khan.
I agree with you, Raj sir. Salman, would you try and make peace with the photographers?
I don't have a problem. They, the photographers, at that point in time, they got angry. They got to make peace with themselves first. You know?
Let's restrict it to the show rather than...
Hi Salman and Raj sir and Endamools. आप लोग से मेरे एक सवाल है कि
सबसे सब जवाब दें.
एक ही सवाल है कि जिस प्रकार के बिग बॉस का जो घर होता है हमेशा लोनावाला में होता है. लास्ट टाइम जैसा घर था, क्या इस बार वही घर होगा या प्लेन में पूरी तरह से तब्दील किया गया घर को?
आपको हम टिकट भेजेंगे, फिर आपको पता चलेगा आप कहाँ पहुंचोगे.
थैंक यू सो मच.
मिल गया आपका सवाल का जवाब.
ये ज्यादा आप बता नहीं सकते हैं. जैसे मनीषा शीतल मुझे घूर घूर के देख रहे कि ज्यादा बोलना.
लेफ्ट में या मेरा सवाल है कि कुछ दिनों पहले आमिर खान ने बोला कि लास्ट सीजन में आप धूम 3 वाली कैप लगाते थे क्योंकि वो लगाए थे.
करेंगे, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का प्रमोशन करेंगे. आई थिंक ये सब हैप्पी न्यू ईयर के पीआर टीम से जुड़े हुए हैं कि ऑलरेडी उनका प्रमोशन हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया. हर सवाल के अंदर ये आता है कि हैप्पी न्यू ईयर की टीम आएगी, तो ऐसे क्यों नहीं आएंगे भाई? वो डिसीजन उनका है, लेकिन पीआर वर्क एक्टिविटी शुरू कर दी गई है. सलमान, करने की जरूरत नहीं, हम वैसे ही कर रहे हैं.
मेरा सवाल आमिर खान से रिलेटेड था, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर से नहीं था. आमिर खान ने बोला कि पिछले साल वो धूम 3 वाली कैप लगा करके घूमते थे, तो आप भी उस प्रॉप को यूज करते.
इस बार मैं पी के घूमूंगा. चलो,
ट्रांजिस्टर के साथ. उन्होंने बोला था ट्रांजिस्टर मैंने इसीलिए लगाया कि सलमान लगाएगा. He said that.
आजकल आमिर आईपॉड के साथ घूम रहे हैं. ट्रांजिस्टर बिक गया.
राज सर, मनीष, इंडिया टीवी से. सर, जैसा कि आपने कहा कि ये शो सलमान के अलावा कोई कर भी नहीं सकता, लेकिन सलमान सर ने पिछली बार कहा था कि सिर्फ एक दिन की वजह से उनका बाकी के 6 दिन खराब हो जाते.
क्या बोला आपने?
सलमान सर, मैं सीजन होस्ट करते समय भी कहा था कि
हो गई मंडली, हो गई. अब क्या को तुम प्राइस कैसे बढ़ाते हैं?
सर, सलमान, तो इस बार 6 दिन खराब होने से बचाने के लिए कोई आइडिया इस बार है आपके पास?
देखो, हाँ की कोई कीमत नहीं होती, कीमत ना की होती है. No, but seriously, this show takes a lot out of me. You know, you guys watch this show every day if you watch it once. I have to watch the 9 o'clock episode and the 12 baje ka episode. And I do a lot of things from 9 to 12. I work a lot. So, मेरा ये जो अंदर के जो contestants हैं, they take a lot of my time. And then on a Thursday, safe flight. On a Saturday morning, I have to watch all the episodes. And then problem unka andar ka hai. Everybody's gotten paid to do a show, and I'm sorting out their problems, their emotional problems and stuff like that. So I signed in to do a show. I didn't sign to take care of their own stresses and solve their problems. And most of them are still in touch with me. They don't feel that they've left the Big Boss house. I'm still sorting their shit out. I'm still their host. Salman bhai, wo jo dekh lena, Salman just and you know what? I've worked with most of them.
Salman, what has Big Boss taught you? What are the lessons learned? What are the lessons learned in the last 5 years? And the contestants as well.
You know, it's so amazing that it teaches me something every day. Who are the contestants that go into Big Boss? Us. you get to know where our country is going. Even though you're watched 24/7, the way you're behaving inside, this is the youth. This is our culture now. This is where we are heading. Now, we have to just pray that it turns out right each year. It cannot nosedive. They're educated people, they're celebrities, they're from good families. We're showcasing India here. And it teaches me a lot, whether we are nosediving or we can afford to say, buck up India. Every time I see somebody behaving in a very noble manner, I feel that, that's amazing. To be in a house with no food, with people that you're not getting along, and there are no friends there, they are going to evict you, they're going to vote you out every single week. And to be cordial and to be nice and to be friends with them is an amazing quality on an empty stomach. And sometimes, very noble gestures come out of the Bigg Boss house. And each of the contestants that I have met, when they're evicted, each one has had tears in their eyes, no matter what the experience in the house was. They've all said, even later on, even if we had to pay millions of rupees to get this experience, we would never be able to get this experience ever. And then you see a harkat which is not cool, and at some point in time, that same situation is going to come in your life, and you would want to, not behave like that. My only concern with the people in the house is when they are giving you material in the house, when they're giving you content in the house, they're damn good for the show. But it is really bad for them when they come out of the house. Work in the house is damn good. Work out of the house dips down, because then nobody wants to work with somebody who's so over the top. Because they know that this show is not scripted. This is their own personalities. That is why I keep on telling each and every contestant कि ऐसा इतना करना कि जब बाहर आओ ना आपको ढेर सारा काम मिले. My only concern with people in the house is not in the house, is what happens to them when they come out of the house.
Hi Salman. Salman यहाँ पे. Suman from लहरे. सलमान, आपने हमेशा कहा है कि आपकी लाइफ के बॉस आपके मॉम एंड डैड हैं. क्या आप अपनी जिंदगी में किसी के बॉस होना चाहेंगे, जिसे रूल करना चाहेंगे, या आपकी लाइफ पार्टनर? क्योंकि हर कोई सलमान को एक अच्छे